Now, reggaeton track. Let's go. Diagonal pose. Down. Circle, open. And down. Slowly. The other side, diagonal. Go down. Open. Very good. 3 slow steps. 3, 2, double hip. Open march. Yes. One more time. Give me 3, 3, 2, 1, double. Open march. You got it. Watch next. Go. Very easy. Double. 4 fast taps. Close, open and pose. Yes. Step. Double. Close, open, stop. Come forward. At arms, up and down, back. And stop. Again, come forward. 2. Up and down, back. Woo! Watch now, perreo. Yeah. Up and down, back. Bam, give me 2. And pose. Come on. You got it. Up and down, back. Double. One more time, come on. Relax your body. Come back. Double. Last time. Woo! Enjoy. Double bump. Go to the lateral with knee. Double and stop. Double and stop. Yes. One more time. Use your knees. Open, close and tap. Yeah. Remember the arm from beginning. And double tap. Watch. Double tap and punch. Yes. Very good. Repeat. Come on. Double. Push down. Woo! Are you ready from the top? 4, 3, perreo, come on. Up and down. Come back. Double hip. Pose. Diagonal. Double tap. Yes, you got it. More time for everybody. Come on. Double hip. Tap. Perreo. Diagonal. Double tap. Yes. Okay, second part again. Let's go lateral. Watch now. Kick. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and stop. Woo! I got it. Kick. Knees. One more time. Kick. Knees. Hips side to side. Look down. Yes. Kick. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hip. From the top. Up and down. Double. Lateral. Give me kick. Knee. Hip. Come on. Perreo. Back. Kick. 1, 2, knees. Kick. Last time for everybody. Come forward. Come back. Double. Pose. Double kick. Come on. And final pose.